Savvy Serena. Today I'm going to do a power hour, and this is what I'm doing in my bedroom. These right here are my husband's. I'm going to leave them, but I'm wanting to clean off the dresser, this, the top of the bed, this little stuff that's up there. Some of these stuff on top of the speakers need to go. So I'm going to set my thing for an hour. I got a glare. I'm going to start for an hour and do as much as I can for an hour. That didn't take nearly as long as I thought it was going to. So, let's stop that. Okay, so I cleaned all this off and got that all cleaned up. And all that stuff is on the other side of that bag right there. I've just got to take it in the living room. And I cleaned up this area here. I got a box that I keep my shoes in. All that's cleared off. I didn't touch my husband's table because that's on him. I did take his caps, as you can see, and I put them on the back of the door. I got this a whole lot better. I was going to move this box, but that box is really heavy. I'd like to keep my makeup. That's my new way of storing makeup. If y'all want to see a video on that, let me know in the comments below. But I'm keeping all my makeup in that. And so I like to have it right here at the mirror, which is where I normally put my makeup on my vanity. Oh, that's the bag sticking out. But anyways, this didn't take nearly as long as I thought it was going to. So I think it looks a whole lot better than it did. That was my tripod. I think it looks a whole lot better than I did. But like I said, that box is really, really heavy. And I cannot lift it. So it's going to have to stay there. But that looks a whole lot better. Now all I got to do is take what's left in here, besides my dusting rag, and go put all this stuff away. Oh, and these right here are my socks. Tell me in the comments below, or give me a thumbs up, and let me know, do y'all have missing socks? If you don't follow me on Instagram, I put cute little pictures up about stuff like missing socks. These are out. They're divorced or separated right now from their pair. I don't know where they're at. And hopefully when it comes up, I've got 2 loads of laundry I gotta fold. So hopefully these will come up. But if they keep coming up, I'm just gonna get rid of them. This ain't too bad, but still. But anyways, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm always talking about different laundry situations, like not having, like your socks not staying together, and follow me on Instagram. You'll like it, I promise you, at Savvy Serena. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to go put this stuff away. Y'all come back now. You hear?